The one word that best describes my experience at Humber in the media communications program is it's worthwhile. It's a risk worth taking. My life back in the Philippines, I finished a degree in management, but I'm also interested in doing something creative. That's when I decided to go to Canada to pursue something different from my environment. When I was browsing through the programs available at Humber College, I saw media communication, and I think, wow, there's a program that has videography, graphic design, photography, web design, so everything's there. So I was thinking, why not get this program where I'll learn everything that I want to learn. Back then, I thought that to become known in the industry, you have to focus on one thing. But getting a diverse set of skills, I think it's advantageous now that I've experienced it, because my manager in my placement hired me to do graphic design. So I was tasked to create promotional materials for our social media. But when she knew that I know how to do video production, the student government here requested me to edit the teaser video for their keynote event. And then, since I also know photography, my manager also asked me to do a corporate headshot of the overall department. I was happy that through the diverse set of skills that I've learned in the media communications program, there are many doors that open for me, not just in graphic design, but also in video production and photography. The highlight of my experience, or what encapsulates all of the experience, all of the skills that I acquired, is my capstone. And through this project, I was able to be imaginative. I was able to do graphics, and then visual effects, video production, storytelling, everything. I've combined everything here, and I've actually posted this in my portfolio because I'm really proud of what I've reached. The professors really hone your skills and let you experience what it's like to be in a professional environment, and you'll be ready for that when that time comes. The word of advice that I would tell to my first semester self is patuloy ka ng mga has, bumangon at magtaya. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka dadalhin ng iyong pangarap, pero patuloy ka lang na lumangoy sa dagat na puno ng pangamba, ng walang kasiguraduhan, at puno ng pag-asa.
Hi, I'm Cathy, Bidini, Program Coordinator for Media Communications at Humber. I just want to give a shout out to our exceptional students, now graduates of the Media Communications program, that not only starred in this video, but directed, filmed, and edited the entire piece. This is a great testament of the wonderful work that our students do. If at any time you have any questions, concerns, or just want to talk about the program in more detail, feel free to reach out to me, send me an email, and we can chat. Thanks for watching.